Hello, so in this video, what I have in front of me and what I am going to be discussing about is the Clorox Gel Cleaner. And it's right when it says no splash since it's a gel. I mean, you kind of know what gel material it is, but there's really like no big splash or anything. Honestly, let me just say this. I absolutely like this better than the foaming. I feel like it gives me a better clean, and I don't know, I guess I wouldn't say it's easier, but it definitely gives me a better clean. Like, I absolutely love this. Another thing about this that I like is that with the gel cleaner, you don't really smell Clorox so much that you would if you was using maybe like the foam cleaner or the like just the regular Clorox spray. But with the gel cleaner, you don't really smell that at all. Like, it's really a very light scent. Like, it still smells like Clorox, but it's not as heavy as the other Clorox products. But I mean, it's still Clorox at the end of the day. And what I honestly do to clean is that I use, let me just give the rundown on how I use it. Like, I'll spray it in my toilet, and I'll spray in the bathroom as far as like the bathtub. And what I do is I'll spray, and then I'll brush, have like a small good size brush, and then clean whatever I'm trying to clean and avoid. And I definitely spray in a drainer. I think it's, what is it called? Drainer? Yeah. And my mom is actually the one who told me about that. If you spray in a drainer, it kind of prevents like bugs like spiders from coming up. So ever since I did that, I haven't really seen like spiders trying to like party in my tub. So, and I don't mean like a whole bunch of them. I just mean like one partying by itself or being nosy. Kind of, I don't know, bug jokes. Anyway, and then after I finish cleaning that, I rinse it, and then I will spray it again. I sure would. I sure would. I sure do. I spray it again, but just the parts where I want to like prevent like from anything from coming. And then what I do is on top of it, I'll spray like Clorox fragrance, just so it can kind of cover up the smell even more. But like I was saying, the smell isn't that strong. But a little bit of information about Clorox is that the company started in 1913, and the home city was Oakland, California, West Side. So, so I thought that was pretty cool. How I heard about it, I actually was in the store, and I was just like, "Ooh, let me try this." And then I've been using it for about 2 months, and I absolutely love it. It's magnificent. I absolutely love and adore this so much. I'll definitely scroll around about the Clorox and I mean the ingredients on this bottle. Does it have the size of it? So the bottle is a 30 ounce. Yep. And it eliminates tough stains. So let me see if you can kind of see. So you can, let me see if you can kind of. So yeah, on the back you kind of see it's like a gel and it's blue. So it's a pretty blue color. I like it a lot. It's really pretty. And let me go ahead and show the ingredients. Where are you? I think you gotta go online for it because it says ingredients. What it says, ingredients on ingredients right there online, but it's just telling you what it contains, and then it tells you like what all you can use to clean, like sealed marble or stainless steel, like what you can actually use Clorox for. And then I think it has a word you need to avoid contact with, like what you don't need to use Clorox with. And then if you want to refill just with that product, and then It just tells you like how to spray, and on the nozzle it has it on and off, so that's a win-win. And then on the side it gives you like what, you know, kind of examples of what you can clean, like tubs and towels, toilet exteriors, sinks and counters. And then it's saying to empty and replace sprayers. So recycle. Recycle. Yep. And then yeah, I think I covered on everything pretty much. So yeah, I absolutely love this. There's really not a big mess, and it's not all foamy and it gets all on your fingers. And yeah, this is some good stuff. Oh my goodness. If this came with a fragrance gel, may have to try it. May have to work 2 by 2 because this stuff is really good. I don't think there's really anything else I was going to say besides. I would say, like, don't try to not like freak out, you know, if you see kind of like blue all over the place and whatnot. It's just this, you know, it's gel, so of course, I mean, it's not really like strong. I mean, it's, I'm not trying to spray all on the wall. I mean, yeah, all on the door. So anyway, it's kind of like a light blue. I'm trying to remember because I kind of scrub so quick. Yeah, it's kind of like a light bluish. Anyway, but yeah, again, this is the Clorox Bleach Gel Cleaner.